I'm out here at Port Botany. What you see behind me here is a P200 SPEL Puraceptor. So 200 litres per second treatment flow rate. It's got a spill capacity of 36,000 litres and it's got a total working capacity of 72,000 litres. So this SPEL Puraceptor has been designed into this new diesel refueling facility for the autonomous container handlers that you can see operating in the background. Essentially, this Puraceptor will be capturing any hydrocarbons that fall onto the ground and end up in the stormwater runoff from this facility and preventing it from entering into Botany Bay, which is out behind those containers you can see in the background.